Hi, this is Dr. Janning. I'm the inaugural Poet Laureate of the city of South Euclid, Ohio. 9/11 is fast approaching, the 20th anniversary of the event. And in remembrance of it, I've written 2 poems. The first is titled Remembering 9/11. Ache and angst of loss, tears flowing, softly falling. Ils nous manquent. They are missing from us. The second poem is inspired by the poem You Will Hear Thunder by Anna Akhmatova, a Russian poet who passed away during World War II. Mine is titled You Will Hear Aircraft. You will hear aircraft, and remember, think of them, their quotidian lives, how the dome of sky was clear and blue, and time as it was stood still. That day changed all. For them, their last. The sky roiled flaming, black and gray, leaving us with shadows and memories. Thank you for listening.